Kajabi is arguably the best platform when it comes to selling info products online. And if you are planning to get started with Kajabi, then this is the right time for you. If you go to the pricing page of Kajabi, you'll see that Kajabi is offering a 50% discount on every plan, meaning that you have a great offer to save big on Kajabi. On top of that, you'll get a 30-day free trial if you visit Kajabi using the first link down below in the video description. Simply go ahead and click on the first link in the description, and you'll be taken to this page. And as you can see, you'll get a 30-day free trial. And in the pricing plan, you can see that the 50% offer is also available. The cool thing is that the offer is available for both monthly and yearly plans, and the yearly plan gives you another 20% discount. But you need to hurry up, as this offer won't be available for so long. Make sure to sign up for Kajabi as soon as possible. If you need help with getting started with Kajabi, then you can watch this video which will walk you through step by step how to effectively use this software.